Let's talk about some data. There's two types of data, quantitative data and qualitative data. The definition I'm going to give you is my way of learning it. There are much more complicated definitions than this. When I see the word quantitative, I see the word quantity or an amount. So if it has a number, that is a quantitative data. For instance, the one below, the density of this is this number, that is quantitative data. Qualitative data is a quality of that thing. That garbage smells. That is a qualitative type of data. Or if you did a number of the smell, that would fall into the quantitative data. For me, the difference really falls into numbers versus a quality of the object. Down here, the density of an object, if you were to calculate it, it's going to be mass divided by volume. In this case, it would be 82 grams divided by 84 milliliters. Okay, you can do the math, and the units would be in grams per milliliter. Will it float? Well, if its density is greater than 1, it will sink. If it's less than 1, it will float. If it's equal to 1, it will hover in the water. Do the calculation and find out the answer to this question. Notice it says, will it float in water? If it was something else, will it float in rubbing alcohol? You'd need to know the density of rubbing alcohol for that comparison. Greater than rubbing alcohol, sink. Less than rubbing alcohol, float. Great job on your review. If you went through all this, you are ready for the practice exam. Have a great afternoon.